Okay, I just had a Bosch 5-ton 2.0 installed in my house, and I've been searching YouTube to see if there was a video that showed. Everybody says, "Oh, heat pumps are efficient, yada yada yada." So I kind of wanted to see, see if there's a video out there. No, there wasn't. So I just kind of went ahead and what I did as a safety net is I put a dual fuel system in my house so that I could have the heat pump and the gas furnace installed in the same house. So if it ended up costing me too much to run the heat pump, I'd still have my gas furnace. It is a natural gas furnace, so it's I live in Northwest Indiana, and it's up towards Chicago area. But anyway, I wanted to see the difference as far as how much it's drawing different temperatures. So I'll show you guys here. At 34 degrees, it was drawing basically 2778 watts or 11.1 amps, which isn't bad at 34 degrees. Different day it was 26 degrees, and basically it jumped up to 3659 on the watts and 16 amps for that day. Still not horrible, but it's getting up higher. It's I would probably go ahead and kick in my gas furnace at that point. But I went ahead and ran it down to 10 degrees, which they say, oh yeah, you can run these, which you can. But now I'm drawing 5469 on the watts and 22.1 on the amps. So you can kind of see the difference as far as how much it's drawing. And going from 34 down to 10, it's twice as much power draw. So it doesn't make a whole lot of sense to run that unit at that temperature unless you have to. But yeah, it will run down to 10 degrees. Now it's a duct system, it's not a ductless. So just to give you an idea, it's a 5-ton unit on the outside, a 3-ton on the inside. I did it that way because I needed the capacity. A 5-ton will give you 60,000 BTUs. A 3-ton will only give you about 36,000 BTUs, which is not enough for the space I have. But I have what they call a dual fuel, so I have it set up at around 28 degrees. The gas furnace kicks in, and anything above that, then it makes sense to run the heat pump. But I just thought I'd do a quick video to so somebody that's looking for real numbers could see, what it is at different temperatures, so they can make up their mind what they want to do on that point. Because you're talking quite a bit of money, and it's nice to have the knowledge. All right, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video.